Okay guys, we're here at the skate park with Braxton. He's turning the skate park into a bike ramp. Go ahead, Braxton.
Hi.
So cool. So cool, man.
That is so super awesome. So cool. Watch out, man. Watch out, Brax. I don't be knowing where you're going. That looks so cool, man. How you feeling?
Tired.
You tired? Let your sister try. Hey, Milan. Come on, girl. Let her try. Let's see what she can do. I bet you she can't stunt like you. Okay, so Milan's on right now. She gonna show girl power.
Nope.
But she got her slippers on, so I don't know how much she could do. No. That's too steep. Especially the fact you ain't got no sneakers on.
You feel like babies?
She don't have no sneakers on. Woo! Alright, let's see if you can go on the wall. Yeah.
Doing that.
You gotta keep the power on though. Yeah, just wipe your face. Oh, watch this little kid. You good? You good? Go ahead. If you had the sneakers on, that would have been better. You got the sneakers in the car? Yeah. Okay, that's what's up. Go put your sneakers on. You gotta keep the gas going. You can't stop. Okay, guys, that's it. Transforming a skate ramp into a bike ramp. Leave your comments below and give us 2 thumbs up.